So I've taken washed chicken pieces and I'm going to make slits on these drumsticks. You can even use smaller pieces. You can even use the wings. And smaller pieces for the popcorn chicken. I'm adding half a cup of buttermilk and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it well. And refrigerate it. And add about half a cup of chili powder, a little pepper, you can increase or decrease the spices according to your wish. And I've added ginger garlic paste, a little of soya sauce, a pinch of turmeric, and a teaspoon of barbecue sauce. And again, it's optional. And a teaspoon of vinegar. Mix it well. Now keep this aside. Take maida and add a pinch of chili powder, and a little milk. Milk is again optional. So this is the first coating. So dip these chicken pieces into the first coating. And keep them aside. Repeat the same procedure for the remaining pieces as well. And now we are done with the first coating. You can again repeat this if you don't have and take a cup of cold water and dip the chicken pieces in this cold water and add it to the same coating again, which is the maida or the all-purpose flour. Fry it in deep pan. Fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes. And there you go, your KFC style chicken is ready.